Alright, recording the pre-market summary and the daily view for S&P 500 for 13th of Jan. We discussed what will happen on 11, 12, 12th, and it has played almost to the tick, not going much above or below. 13th of Jan seems like a very important day if you ask me. It's been 3 days of consolidation with not much happening. So I think today we will have a trend day kind of sorts, either on the upside or on the downside. As of now things stands, it looks like there is a good chance that the market will fall. Post yesterday we created, as we had discussed, this level of 3795. That has been acting as a very important level for bulls and bears both. Once we started trading that in the American opening, we came down and we didn't hold at the 3775 level. We went all the way to 3768, but again bounced back. So there are still single prints, so that still means that the active buyer or the bigger buyers are active in this market. They haven't given up as it. 3770 broadly still remains a very important level. Now today we are trading lower compared to last 2 days American opening. Both days we had opened around 3800 and then sold off. It would be interesting to see what happens once we open at these levels. Gut feel or the market action or what I am seeing on the charts and screen looks like it should come down, and it should come down a lot more today if we start developing a trend. Would be very crucial to watch the 3776 level again. That would become very important. So these 4 TPOs would be important. Below that, I think we are heading lower almost all the way to 3750, 3745 levels. The only comforting factor for that was the dollar had significantly weakened. Alright, let's look at the dollar index now. Dollar index, we had discussed these important levels of 90.7 to 90.8 on the upside and 89.8 on the downside. It's still in the range, and probably that's another reason why S&P is in a range. Now it has bounced back off these levels. Today dollar index has bounced back off these levels. So it would be very important to see what happens next. I think we are heading almost to 91.2 levels if you ask me. The wave pattern would be something like up, correction and down. The correction can go all the way to 91.2 and then all the way to 92.2, 92 levels, and then it will decide where to head higher or lower. That's the broad dollar call. Till the time we are above 99.8, I think we can still look for longs. There are enough buyers for dollar index also, I think. Let's look at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. This is not a bullish price action. Till the time we are below 38,000, I don't think we are heading higher. There is significant risk that we fall all the way to 24,000 levels, and below that we can fall all the way to 16,000 levels. The view negates only above 38,000 levels. This would be exactly opposite to what would dollar index be doing. A down wave, then correction, and then another significant down wave. This is the 4-hour chart. For Bitcoin, this is definitely not a bullish price action. If you are long Bitcoin, have tight stops.
In a comment from the Riksbank's Deputy Governor Kingsley says the economy is developing better than forecast.
Just book it out. Shorts seem to be a better option as of now. So these are the views about S&P, dollar index and Bitcoin, the 3 things which are driving the markets currently. These are the views for 13th of Jan and holds true only for the day. These are not trading calls or investment calls. These are purely for research and educational purposes. Always consult your financial advisor before you take any trade or decide to invest in the market. Happy trading.